Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In class 10th study materials, it's now changed with the name Study Adda 9 and 10. So I am here with a physics second chapter, that is magnetic effect of electric current. I hope you all are already prepared the first chapter electricity, which I post earlier. So in this chapter there is no numerical, only there is a theory, and you have to understand the theories. So be study thoroughly and prepare well for your exams. Magnetic effect of current. So what is magnetic effect of electric current? You know already what is magnetic effect. First of all, magnetic effect means the effect of magnet which we can feel and observe. And what is electric current then? So electric current, we already know that what is electric current, and if you not know the meaning of electric current, you can go to my first video and study the chapter electricity. In this chapter we study about magnetic effect of electric current, what is the effect of magnet in electric current, and the unit of magnetic field, as well as there are many rules of Maxwell's and Fleming's. So magnetic effect of current. Hans Ørsted in 1820 first discovered that when an electric current is passed through a conducting wire, a magnetic field produced around it. So who discovered the magnetic field? Hans Ørsted. It comes in multiple choice question and you have to know that. In 1820, Hans Ørsted was discovered the magnetic effect of electric current. How he know that the effect of magnet is on current? So first of all, he passed the current through a conducting wire and he observed that there is magnetic field produced around it. And he do a experiment. It is in your NCERT book. If you read that, you can understand. If a compass needle is kept in the vicinity of the current carrying wire, the needle is found to deflect in a definite direction. If the direction of the current in the wire is reversed, then the direction of the deflection of the needle is also reversed. Then what is the unit of magnetic field? The unit of the magnetic field, you have to know that, and it is also come in the MCQ type questions. Most of the questions of magnetic effect of electric current is come in the form of MCQ. So the unit of magnetic field is Tesla, and 1 Tesla is equals to 1 Newton per ampere per meter. It is written there 1 Newton /A/m. We read it as 1 Newton ampere per meter. Then we come to the Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. I am written there right hand thumb rule. You have to join right there, Maxwell right hand thumb rule. Maxwell discovered this thumb rule, and by this rule we find the direction of the current. So in this rule, if we hold the current carrying conductor in the right hand such that the thumb points in the direction of current, the finger encircle the wire in the direction of magnetic field lines. So if you hold your current in your right hand and you point the direction of your current through your thumb, so if your thumb is upwards, then the direction of the current will be as clockwise, and if the thumb is downwards, then our direction of the current is in anti-clockwise. This is the part 1, and we study the whole chapter in next parts. Hope you enjoy my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.